Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just a dream.
Hey YouTubers, I am at the shop. I just got some more drinks and stuff for us, so I'm gonna stock some water and Sprite. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Yeah, this our little corner. So I got a little refrigerator up here for us where I try to keep drinks. Then I gotta refill the snacks. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. And then I'm gonna show you how I put on my cluster lashes. Yeah. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Yeah, so this is like spring water. Got some spring water. Yeah. I guess it lost me. You lost me. You lost me. You lost me. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing. Putting some water in. Some of them I keep and I put my name. It's all about branding. I put my business name when I'm in my room with my clients. This is open for the other girls, for them and their clients as well. Couldn't get any snacks because Walgreens don't sell snacks like that. So I went in there to get some sodas because they always have like buy two, get one free. So I went in there and did that and got some water. So I'm gonna have to go to Winn-Dixie and get the snacks. But I had to come up here because my husband called and say, the owner called, said someone is coming. Uh-oh, here you go. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm sorry about that. I had to let the roofer in. We had a little small leak come in, so of course we don't own the building, we're just renting. The owner sent the roofer over to check and fix what needs to be fixed. So yeah, I have to give them their kudos on that, making sure, you know, we're taken care of. So yeah, don't mind my attire, y'all. I just threw this on to come up here and do some work. I was off today at the shop, no clients today. So yeah, I'm just up here putting away some stuff. So yeah, I'll be back to show you my video of me doing my clusters. Stay tuned. Okay, so right here, this is some lash shampoo that I received from 1000 Lashes. I'm gonna clean my lashes first. And it don't burn, so it's okay if I open my eyes. But I always like to do this before I apply any extensions on. It could be minks, clusters. I just like to work on a clean canvas. This is distilled water. See if I can skirt it out. There it goes. Skirt it out. This one, just rinse it off. It's okay. I always like to use distilled water. I don't like to put tap water in the eyes, which is okay, but I prefer still water. That's just me, my preference. I'll let that dry. I'm gonna get my fan. Y'all see that? Let it dry some. That should be good. I have the Bond and Seal glue for the clusters. And this service I offer for people that like to you know, get it done fast. Don't take that long, and it still give you that mink look. So it's not like it's the ones you see like at the nail shops, and no shade to the nail shops, but yeah. These are more my style. So I'm just gonna take some. I'm gonna go with a 16. I'm gonna go on the outer corner. I'm trying to go for kind of like a cat eye almost. So I'll just gently lift it up. Get the side that says bond and just dab it on the end. Can y'all see that? I did take this young lady Mimic Mink's Cluster Lash class, and I'm doing it how she say do it. This gives you a little bit of longer lasting set versus just putting it on. Hold on, I can't really see on my camera. I'm gonna have to get my mirror. Be back. Okay, y'all, I got one on, but I'm going to have to do this without recording because I'm on 19% with my battery. But I will show you once I'm done how it looks. So yeah, I'm sorry I couldn't show the full step by step, but I will in another video because these is something that you can take off and restyle and redo. It's not nothing like semi-permanent like the minks. So yeah, and then I'm gonna go with this set instead. It's a little more fuller, but yeah, this is how the 16 look on, and it's underneath like that. So yeah, y'all comment, subscribe, like, share, whatever. Ask questions, I'm here to help. So yeah, just stay tuned for the final look. Bye, love y'all. Okay, can y'all see? I did the right eye. They're cute, and then they light. They don't feel like how strips would feel, the clusters from back then, like where they feel heavy and stuff. They feel regular. So this is for my girls that want to, you know, come in, get something quick and real cute. So yeah, I'm gonna do the left eye and come back. Okay, this is the left eye. Can y'all see that? So yeah, these are the clusters. Let me know what you think about them. And I was kind of slow doing them because, let me show you. I had to dab each little cluster on this bond glue and then seal it. So yeah. But I think they came out real cute. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all.